welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. I thought I would start off what is hopefully a regular scheduled uploading. No, wait. A regular uploading schedule by doing something kind of simple that is also productive at the same time, so trying to kill two birds with one stone because quarantine has made me lazy. So I thought I would start off by doing a clean out with me. A lot of people have been like cleaning out their closets and stuff, and I kind of want to do something a little bit more minuscule that would not take me 5 freaking ever. So I decided I would clean out my purse today, and if you would like to clean out your own purse today, then do it with me while you're watching this in the background. But this is my purse. At least the one that I use pretty much on an everyday basis if I'm just running to the store or whatever, and it is quite heavy, like heavy in the sense that it like digs into my shoulder when I wear it, and I hate it. So I think there's a lot of trash in here, a lot of goodies if you will say, and I just kind of want to go through it and literally throw it all away. This might be a very long video. I apologize, but if you like that, then this is the video for you. If you haven't seen my what's in my purse video, which I also filmed and I have it uploaded on my channel, I'll have it like somewhere over here or maybe in the description box down below. But I got it from Marshall's and it's vegan leather and it comes with a pouch on the inside. Let me take out the middle pocket. That might be a really great idea. This thing could be like as a clutch, but like I feel like a clutch is kind of annoying to carry it around with you everywhere. So the meat of my bag has a Lenny and Larry's complete cookie, so that is trash. Actually, I'm going to do a trash and like recycling pile because sustainability. This is a flyer for a collision center, but I got 3 free oil changes, so I'm going to keep that. These are my Kroger coupons. Going to keep that. Actually, I should put the coupons in my wallet, but I'm going to keep it. This is a bill for something. What is this for? $1 million! This is a bill that my health insurance sent me a while ago when they tried to bamboozle me. Recycle. I apologize if you can hear my parents listening to or watching TV upstairs. What can you do in a house full of 6? Continuing on, I have this other document. Okay, this is a grant that I got from a scholarship. I don't know if I should keep this. I'm gonna keep it just in case, but like put it in my records because I don't think that should be in my purse. I have a phone case. I'll keep that. My wallet, which also is substantially heavy, not from cash despite popular demand, but from just pockets and pockets of receipts because I am my mother's daughter. I don't know why I keep these things. I really don't. I have this little pouch which has all of my emergency like tampons and stuff, because you got to if you're a girl, unless you don't wear them, which is perfectly fine. I have a pen and some hair. You always need a pen in a purse, I say. Comes in handy. I have a sock. Just one black sock. I have a measly glove. You know, gotta stay safe in quarantine. This is definitely gonna be thrown away. And then I just have pockets and pockets of receipts, which I don't really want to get into, because I feel like if they're at the bottom of my bag, collected with hair, then maybe they're not as important as I thought they were to keep. This looks like a note. Yep, it is a grocery list. I have a little earring. I hope I have the other earring somewhere. I'm gonna keep her just in case I find her. A Band-Aid wrapper, and then I got some coin. I love finding free money. Money, 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 money. It's my whole purse. Which is, ew. Now I'm going to go through the little pouch, which shouldn't be as crazy as what was in the big pouch. I have more receipts from random various places that I shopped at. This is a progressive check thing that can be recycled. Band-Aid. I always need Band-Aids. I'm gonna keep that. My student ID. Need her. My glasses. I've been looking for her for a while, although she's very crooked. I don't know if you can tell. And then she also has a missing limb right here. But she's cute, so that's why I still keep her. And honestly, I'm not like a glasses connoisseur, so I paid like $10 for these in Atlanta in some like shop by Little 5 Points. and I've kept her ever since, so I'm gonna keep her still. A glass cleaner for my laptop. This should be in my backpack, but I'm gonna keep that. This is a straw holder. She is disgusting inside. The straw I currently keep in my water bottle. This used to be attached to my keys, and it would cause some debacle whenever I would go to concerts and like venues and like stadium stuff, because security would never understand why I would have this in my purse. I have a Burt's Bees Vanilla Bean. I'm still on the lookout for an affordable vegan chapstick. Honestly, I'll pay anything for it as long as it's not $1 million. I have contact lens re-wetting drops. This is a Thinker Focus Blend. It's a roll-on, I guess it's like a roll-on essential oils perfume kind of deal, but it smells like peppermint, and my friend gave it to me for Christmas, and yeah, it's like the only perfume I really have, so I just keep it in my purse. So I'm gonna keep her too. These are ends of earrings. I think something was attached to this, but they're little like hoop earrings. Gum wrapper. I'm gonna throw her away. A Kroger receipt. Throw her away. I have hand sanitizer because quarantine things. And oh, I found my other earring! Oh my gosh, these are like my favorite pair. They're new too. I've only had them for like a couple of months. Wow, I could wear them right now with my outfit. Let's see what's on the sides. Oh, this is a letter that my mom wrote to me when I moved out for college. This is really sweet. I'm gonna keep this in my bag. It made me cry. And these are Dave & Buster's and Stars and Stripes cards. So I think I have like $2 or $3 in these combined. So I'm just gonna keep them just in case I ever find myself in a Dave & Buster's or Stars and Stripes. I also have a thespian pin in here. 2 thespian pins. This is an honor thespian pin, and this is my thespian pin from when I was a thespian in high school. Cool, man. But that is it. Wow, okay, so now I just have to reconstruct my bag, but I'm confused as to why it feels like I was carrying 12,000 pounds. Any other girls relate? Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video gave some kind of entertainment or inspiration to clean out your own purse. If you haven't already subscribed down below, go ahead and subscribe. What else? If you haven't liked this video already, go ahead and like it as well. Give it a thumbs up. Hit the bell notification if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video on the rare occasion that I do. Alright, yeah, stay safe, stay cool, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.